I got a present for you.
I know what it is. It's goop. It's goop. It's goop. I know for the present. I know for the present. It's goop.
I got a present for you.
I'm not touching it.
I got a present for you. Come back here. And you, come back here.
Yeah.
This scoop is very heavy.
Yes. Yes, sweetheart.
Would you please help us, Gabe?
Okay.
Here's some food for you.
Be careful that you don't hurt yourself, sweetheart.
hurt my ankle.
I know, so maybe it's best to rest a little bit.
And then I put it back at you. I never give out a gift.
I gotta go to the de-goop machine. I gotta go to the machine that... What are you doing?
Oh, don't tear his shirt, sweetheart.
Your shorts and your pants.
Well, come here. You can't get away from Mr. You shot Mr. Goop? Mr. Goop's got to take a rest.
Catching Mr. Goop and tail.
Oh, that wasn't very nice.
I think we need to
You're gonna
rest.
kill yourself.
Yeah, I know. Let's rest a little bit.
Papa's got to
When
get...
I have one of the like cactus,
Papa's got to rest a minute.
can I have a ketchup?
Huh?
Can I have a ketchup?
What? Pretzel?
Yeah.
You got to ask Mom
No,
or
I think,
Grandma.
Mommy, you'll have dinner first later.
Aren't you
Put him
good?
back on schedule. They look so
You want a drink of water? Who's that guy doing somersaults?
It's a cartwheel, but I'm not very good at them. I'm not giving up though.
I did somersaults. Oh, you can't
Can you do a roly-poly?
How do you do it?
Like you.
Yeah.
I'm a cow, Papa.
Yeah, I'm gonna sit down. There's no goop in this seat, is there? Is there any goop on this seat?
No.
Look, oh, this goes away.
Actually,
Oh!
they get back.
Oh! Grandma,
And then I put glue so you dash to it and tape.
Did you see what he did? He put goop in my chair.
And he put glue in your chair. And he put tape in your chair.
What else?
Tape
Yeah.
Oh,
And glue.
and glue.
And super glue.
super glue.
Even.
Well, that wasn't very nice. Why did you do that to Papa? So he can't get up?
Yes. Now you tie it. Now I tied
Have a
him up. Now I tied him up. What?
You tied me up on
Yeah.
top of that?
Yeah, and then he changed his hands. What?
I'm the president.
What?
Of what?
President of what?
Nothing.
The president of nothing. Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce you to the president of nothing. And I'm stuck in this seat because somebody glued me to it. Can I guess who it was? Was
you
it
forgot the kids.
was it Paul that did this?
Oh, you forgot the kids. And then Daddy said, what? I am Paul a kid. I made him up. I made Paul